ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Unong yalam jongkaliang persya kayang dorbar tau anu Dr. Mugul Sangma haga khat santarik ubenai rempang arajar arpuar ulakam baka Jingtih Dewïong Be-Aiñ kadang Ïaid beteng hapok kane ke jela Meghalaya haduk kini kisni wat hadin baka ying bishar National Green Tribunal kala penmi ya ke hukum ban khang ya ke Jingtih bar ke jingshalan Be-Aiñ ya Dewïong na kane ke jela Meghalaya. Hagji keren bergelar patai kubor, Dr. Mugul Sangma ubadairu MLA jongga All India Trinamool Congress ulah kamru ba udon yagi video clippings hagaba unsa IT syaka Sorkar kenang bakan duple AA halor gane ke Jingtih Be-Aiñ yau Dewïong.
This has been happening for last few years. What you're listening to or what you are hearing from the media reports based on what has probably happened in the preceding few days is only the tip of the iceberg. Even as we say now, illegal mining is going on. Okay? Even as I say now. Yeah? I will show you a video clip. Okay? And I'll give it to the government to take cognizance of these developments. It is a question of whether government is serious to take cognizance of what is happening and be honest to the responsibilities to protect the interests of the state, which is not happening. That means there is a malafide intention by the people in authority. This is actual mining happening. Okay. Okay. With all your coordinates, if it is possible for the LO to have these, government with the whole machinery, how they can have? I'm giving you my word. Yeah. They must stop it. Otherwise, what is going to happen? I'm telling you. Out of these illegalities, many more other forces are getting funded, including the group of people who are trying to float new militant outfits. There is already movements taking place. And with this easy money coming to the hands of people, what are they going to do with this money? They are going to buy arms, sophisticated arms, and create the same kind of problem through which the state has gone through. I have flagged this issue earlier also. Internally, when we had a discussion and meeting with the government, that please understand one thing. Access to easy money because of illegalities will always give access to easy money for those who want to raise war against the nation. So one has to understand the multiple negative ramifications that this kind of lack of governance and quantum of corruption that is taking place can lead the state. We must protect the state. We must defend the state. I'm calling everyone, to tell the government to stop this. And if they are not doing what they are expected to do, what is the reason? You have the answers. So friends, I'm sorry. The way things are going, the state will be bankrupt. People will have more and more tendency to engage in all illegalities because they further get emboldened because of the stand the government has taken. The stand of the government to be deliberately on denial, constant denial mode. So you can ask the government of the day. You can ask the Chief Minister. I think there are many other stories which has come out in the recent past, in the preceding days. You can ask the CM. CM is also in charge of the mining and geology department. And CM himself is also in charge of finance. CM himself is also in charge of political department. You can ask him. By your common sense, if you expect the authorities who are responsible for emboldening all these illegalities that is happening, how do you expect any evidence to be generated? They will come back and say nothing is happening. You know, nothing is happening. Now we have proved beyond reasonable doubt that this is happening. And this is happening because of the kind of patronage being given by the people in authorities. Therefore, if the patronage is being given by the authorities, how can you expect these authorities to actually do justice? Do you expect a thief to catch himself? Law of the land must take its own course and protect the interests of the state, protect the interests of the people. No, coming election, why should we wait for the elections for this issue? The damage is being done on a daily basis, you know. Therefore, it is not just the state government. I have said, the government of India also should take cognizance of this. Because coal is not a state subject, okay? It's simple. Therefore, there is also responsibility towards government of India to take cognizance of all these illegalities that is taking place in this part of the country. They cannot say that, okay, the state government is not doing, so they are all insulated from the responsibility. They are also equally responsible to protect the interests of the state.